What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am using builder gel in a bottle. I have been wanting to try this out for so long, and I finally went on Amazon to buy some. It's supposed to be an easy method. You just put it on like nail polish. So if you want to see how I created these nails with builder gel in a bottle, just keep on watching. I already pushed my cuticles back and cleared the dead skin off my nail plate before this video. So now I'm going to go in with dehydrant. I got this brand from Sally's, and I'm going to put this on my nails. It just removes all the oils off your nail plate so your nails can last. Then I'm going to go in with Young Nails Protein Bond. Fit Me Beauty on YouTube swears by this. So Fit Me always use 2 coats, so that is what I did. I went in with 2 coats. So I want square nails. I'm kind of over the coffin shape, so I got these tips. I don't really like them because they go too far up the nail, but it's all I had, so they're going to work today. So now that I have the nail tips glued on, I'm just going to take my electric drill and file down the top so it can blend in with my natural nail and also remove the shine from the tips. I got this electric drill from Amazon. I'm going to include it on the screen so you can know which one I have. This one goes up to 35 RMPs or RPMs. I don't know, but yeah, it's going to be on the screen. Right here, I'm just putting a layer of base coat gel on before I go in with the builder in the bottle. From the YouTube videos I seen, it said you don't need this step, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So after that, I am curing it in the UV lamp. You will need a UV lamp for the builder gel in a bottle as well. So I searched YouTube videos trying to find different tutorials, couldn't find too many. I didn't know which brand to choose, so I went on Amazon and just put it in the search bar, and a few popped up, not too many. I went with the Mia Secret. It was $16.99. The other bottles were over $20. I feel like they should be a little bit cheaper. They do have different color builder in the bottle. I just wanted to start off with the clear. This isn't doing a good job of showing how thick it is, but this product is very thick. It's way thicker than base coat gel and top coat gel. So the method I chose to apply this was going in layers. I'm going to go in the middle of the nail and apply 1 layer. That way, as I go up, I can build an apex. You can't really see, but this stuff is so thick. So after I do the first layer, I flash cured. I'm using this mini lamp that I got for Amazon. Mine is currently unavailable, but it's only like $9, and there are a lot of brands that sell this mini lamp. You can just fold up the legs and use it that way because the lamps are still visible folded up. So I'm done with that layer. I'm going to do the second layer. I'm just going to go a little bit above the first layer, and then I'm just going to put it on like nail polish. The videos I did see, they always use the term of floating the gel around the nail, but the reason why I bought this is to use it like nail polish, so I wasn't going to float anything. This is what it's looking like after 2 coats. So now I'm going to do my last coat. You don't have to worry about flooding the cuticle with this product because it's so thick. Where you put it is where it's going to be. You don't have to worry about it running into your cuticles like base coat gel or the top coat gel. It doesn't run at all. So initially I thought I was going to have to do the nails one by one, just in case the gel was really runny, but this gel is so thick and it doesn't run at all. You can do the nails all together and cure them all together and do the next layer. That way you can get it done quicker. So here I am wiping the nails down with alcohol because there is a sticky film left over after you cure the last coat. Here are the nails after I put on all the coats. As you see, my nails have lost their shape, so I will have to file. And then I don't know if you can tell or not, there's a yellow tint. So this clear, after you have dried your nails, will have a yellowish tint, which sucks. I wonder if other brands dry clear or not. But now I'm going to file my nails. I'm using the Macart nail file that I got for Amazon. I'm going to use the 180 side to file my nails. And then I'm going to go in with my electric drill. Here are what the nails are looking like. Now they are ready for color, and then my little jewels. So I didn't film me painting my nails, but I went over my nails with base coat gel and then this color called Pink Glaze. I got this nail polish from Sally's. And here is a look of my jewel stash. Nail art. I got all of this stuff from AliExpress really cheap. These were like $2 a piece for the whole thing. If you can wait 30 days for your shipment from AliExpress, I would get it from there versus Amazon. Is way cheaper for AliExpress if you just have patience. For the last step, I'm going to put it on some cuticle oil. Of course, I got it off of Amazon. For $6.90, you can get a nice size bottle. This was on the Glam Twins channel. They put me on this. So if y'all need some cuticle oil, of course, go to Amazon. Here are the final nails. I absolutely love the builder gel in a bottle, and I will be using it again. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.